In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect make.com to Instagram. By the end, you'll have a reliable connection that lets Make receive Instagram data or pull analytics so you can automate reporting, alerts, and more without manual work. Start by opening make.com in your browser and signing into your workspace. On the left sidebar, click Connections. This view is where your integrations live and where you can verify that everything you connect is authorized and healthy. Keeping this area tidy helps you troubleshoot quickly later on. Next, open the Scenario Builder. This is the canvas where you assemble your automation. In the empty canvas, click the large plus icon to add your first module. This is your starting point and it tells Make which app and function you want to use. Search for and select Instagram for Business. This is important. It connects through Meta's official API, which requires an Instagram business or creator account linked to a Facebook page. If you're using a personal profile, convert it first in Instagram settings so it appears during authorization. You'll now choose what you want to work with. Pick events if you want Make to react when something happens on Instagram, like new comments or media updates. Choose Insights if you want analytics and metrics you can schedule or query. If you're not sure, events are great for real-time automations, while insights are best for dashboards and reports. For real-time use cases, click Create a Webhook. A webhook lets Instagram send data to make the moment an event occurs, which keeps your automations fast and accurate. When prompted, give your webhook a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later, especially if you manage multiple brands or pages. Now click Create a Connection. Make will open a Meta authorization window. Log in, select the correct Instagram business account and its linked Facebook page, and grant the requested permissions. Only choose the assets you actually intend to automate. If your account doesn't appear, double check that your Instagram is linked to a page and that you have the necessary permissions in business settings. Finish by clicking Save. That's it. The connection is established and your webhook or insights module is ready to use in your scenario. From here, you can map fields, add filters, and connect downstream apps like spreadsheets, CRMs, or notification tools. If you ever change your Instagram setup, revisit Connections in Make to reauthorize or update the link. Thanks for following along. With this setup, your Instagram data flows into Make securely and automatically, setting the stage for powerful, time-saving automations.